Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today we start a new chapter, the animal kingdom. Animals are the most diverse organisms on Earth, with huge variety in structure and function. In this episode, we'll learn the basic principles of how animals are classified, which will help us understand each group better. Let's get started. Let's talk why classification is needed. The animal kingdom is huge, with more than 1.5 million species known. To study them, scientists classify animals based on common features. This helps us understand their similarities, differences, and how they are related through evolution. Let's talk how animals are classified basically. Animals are grouped based on some basic body features. First is their level of organization, whether they are made of simple cells, tissues, or organ systems. Second is body symmetry, which can be asymmetrical, radial, or bilateral. Third is the number of germ layers, 2 in diploblastic and 3 in triploblastic animals. Fourth is the body cavity, called the coelom, which may be present or absent. Finally, the presence or absence of a notochord. These features form the basis of animal classification. Now let's talk about body organization in animals. Animals show different levels of body organization. In sponges, cells are loosely arranged without true tissues. In cnidarians, cells form tissues. In flatworms, tissues form organs. In higher animals like annelids, arthropods, and vertebrates, organs work together as organ systems. This shows increasing complexity from simple to advanced animals. Now let's talk about body organization in animals. Animals show different levels of body organization. In sponges, cells are loosely arranged without true tissues. In cnidarians, cells form tissues. In flatworms, tissues form organs. In higher animals like annelids, arthropods, and vertebrates, organs work together as organ systems. This shows increasing complexity from simple to advanced animals. Now let's talk about germ layer in animals. Animals are classified by germ layers. Diploblastic animals, like cnidarians, have 2 layers, ectoderm and endoderm, with mesoglia in between. Triploblastic animals have 3 layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. This extra layer allows more complex body structures, starting from flatworms to higher animals. Now let's talk about the presence of a body cavity, or coelom, is another key criterion for animal classification. Acoelomates, like flatworms, have no coelom. Pseudocoelomates, like roundworms, have a cavity partly lined by mesoderm. Coelomates have a true coelom fully lined by mesoderm, which allows better organ development. This is an important step in evolution. Now let's talk about the notochord. The notochord is a flexible rod found in chordates during early development. It gives support and separates animals into 2 groups, non-chordates without a notochord, and chordates with a notochord at least in some stage. This is a key division in the animal kingdom. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Why we classify animals and the main criteria for classification. Animals differ in levels of organization, from simple cells to complex organ systems. Body symmetry can be asymmetrical, radial, or bilateral. Germ layers are either 2, diploblastic, or 3, triploblastic. The body cavity, or coelom, may be absent, false, or true. Finally, the notochord divides animals into non-chordates and chordates. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of the following animals is correctly matched with its body feature? Is it option A, Hydra, triploblastic? Is it option B, Planaria, acoelomate? Is it option C, Aspirants, true coelomate? Or is it option D, earthworm, pseudocoelomate? Comment your answers or send them to us on Instagram or WhatsApp. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of the following animals is correctly matched with its body feature? Is it option A, Hydra, triploblastic? Is it option B, Planaria, acoelomate?